Hey, what's going on YouTube? New build going on, 2020 Supra HKS Widebody kit. Let's get into today's video. Guys, we're pretty much unpackaging all the HKS kit right now. It's really well packaged. Came in this huge box that looked like a casket. And looking at the kit, looks like it's a mixture of it's called the FRP, fiberglass reinforced plastic. Definitely really kind of flexible, which is pretty cool. Overall, kit seems to be of really good quality. We're pretty much gonna lay everything out in front of the car and kind of see how everything kind of goes together, and see if we can get like a kind of like a rough mock-up tonight. Looks like we have, these are what's called the end plates for this big old GT style wing. I think that's what this is. Victor, do you like big wings?
Yes.
You like big wings?
Yes.
Yes, okay. You like big wings, G?
Big wings.
Big wings. Big wings. Yeah? Yeah. Are you a fan? Huh? The bigger the better? Okay. Hello, good sir. Do you like big wings?
No.
No?
No.
You like chiquito wings? Yeah? Big or small?
Big.
Big wings. Just so you guys know what you're getting into, this is all the hardware for all the liner. So we're gonna go ahead and bag that up. So here's the first piece mounted somewhat. And it looks like you're gonna have this huge gap right here. I guess that's part of the kit to kind of give you those vent style. Not sure, but this is kind of what it's supposed to look like because it mounts right on these holes right here. So it looks like all this is gonna have to get trimmed out, all this right here. That's quite a bit of trimming we gotta do, but so far so good. No, I said this early in the video, but what's really cool about this HKS kit is it has mounting points, already kind of predetermined mounting points throughout the whole kit, where everything kind of already aligns and helps everything get your gaps kind of where you want them to be. So it definitely helps us out, makes our job a little bit easier. So we're gonna kind of pretty much mount this whole front end piece, do a test fit on the car and see what it looks like. Status update over here. So these are the wing brackets, you know, the chassis mount, and this is the plate that's gonna go on the outside of the bumper. Sit something somewhere along these lines right here, right? So we had to cut some holes in the bumper. They're not finished up. This is just like a rough cut. And here is the wing, the big wing. We're gonna end this video right here. Next episode, we're gonna see us finishing up the bodywork and getting this thing ready for paint. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Follow us on IG. And again, here at SOS Customs, we got you covered.